Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about event design and setup and my event design and setup services, which is pretty much the only service I offer right now until I open my venue. Some of you guys have been asking me why I only call myself an event designer and not a planner, and that's basically why, because I drop the entire planning process from events and only concentrate on decorating on the day off. So basically, my event design and setup services is for the client who has already planned their entire event and only need help on the day of their event. A 1-hour design consultation is included in the fee, and 98% of the time I meet with my clients at the venue where they can tell me what their vision is for the space, and I can start envisioning things, and then I can suggest what things they need to provide for me so I can make it happen for them. I also suggest inventory I have that they could rent from me, and I also offer my balloon services. The baby shower is going to take place at a clubhouse, which I love the very second I saw it. It's a great space, but it does have its challenges because it has multiple rooms that I have to fill out and make it flow with the rest of the other rooms within the budget they gave me. In this video, you are going to see Dixie's baby shower. It is a lavender panda baby theme. She loves purple and decided to do lavender for her baby girl. And Dixie is a repeat offender. She was actually one of my very first clients here in Georgia, and I have done multiple events for her and her family, and I adore her. We are now friends. Therefore, I was able to tape her entire her entire baby shower, and she let me put it, out there, and she's the best. So here it is. Enjoy. Yes, guys, I am doing all of this by myself. Goodness. Unfortunately, my husband had to work. He wasn't able to take off. He's the one that usually helps me out. He's my muscle. And well, he did help me unload, everything there, but he had to go right back to work. And my sister is not in town. But fortunately, at the same time, I was able to get into the clubhouse the day before the event. So I was able to spend the entire day to set up all by myself. Oh, and by the way, if you live in Georgia or in North Georgia, I'm going to start hiring in June, July. So if you are into event planning and you're very crafty and very responsible and have attention to detail, send me your info at thetyraperezproject@gmail.com. this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. I have a great video for you guys on Thursday, so please make sure to tune in then. All right, guys, until next time, bye.